If you're married and you are putting a rental property into an LLC, do not automatically make it a 50-50 membership with your spouse. That nice decision can quietly cost you 2 to 3 grand a year every year and force your spouse to sign on debt that they didn't even know that they were signing up for. And most investors only figure this out after the CPA invoice shows up. So let's break it down. I had a client refinancing a property to pull cash out. He's married. He's forming an LLC to quitclaim the property into. And he says, well, obviously, I'll just make it 50-50 with my wife. So here's the deal. If he owns 100% of the LLC, it's a single member LLC. From a tax standpoint, it doesn't exist. It is a disregarded entity. There's no partnership returns, no K1s, and no extra filings. It just flows straight through onto the Schedule E on their joint return. But the second you give your spouse even 1% ownership, now it's a partnership. Now you're filing Form 1065, and now you're issuing K1s, and now you're paying a CPA anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000 every single year just to exist for one rental property. And that's if your books are clean. And here's the part that really matters. If she owns a significant percentage, often north of 20%, guess who the lender wants to sign on as a personal guarantor? Yeah, her too. So that sweet 50-50 decision, now she's signing on the debt. And that structure has consequences, especially if you are trying to do asset protection for your family and want to have assets in her name, like your house, for instance, and you don't want to lose your house in the event that your deal is going to be going sideways, then that is not going to be an effective option. And before someone says, but we're married filing jointly, it's the same thing. No, it is not. Married filing jointly is a tax filing status. Ownership percentage is a legal structure. And the IRS and your bank do not care about your anniversary. So back to the original question, should we make it a 50-50? I don't know, maybe. But don't do it because it feels right. Do it because you've intentionally decided to. And you're okay with annual CPA costs, and you're okay with partnership filings, and you're okay with dual guarantees. Otherwise, keep it simple.